Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off the notifications in the Joom app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and the growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Joom app. On the bottom right corner you can see this photo. This is your profile. This is the last icon, your profile. And if you scroll down to notifications, you can tap on that. Here you will have your notifications. On the top right corner, tap on this little settings icon. And here you can turn them off by tapping on it. But if you would like to get notifications about discounts, for example, then you can easily turn them on, or some recommendations. But by tapping on them, you can turn them off. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.